10 amazing facts about monks. 1. Some monks take a vow of silence. Certain monks spend days, months, or even years speaking very little or not at all, believing silence helps deepen focus and inner peace. 2. Monks can meditate for hours. Experienced monks can meditate continuously for many hours, training their minds to remain calm and focused. Many monks wake up before sunrise. Some monasteries begin the day as early as 3 or 4 a.m. for meditation, prayer, and study. 4. Monks often own very few possessions. Many monks choose a simple lifestyle, keeping only basic necessities such as robes, books, and a bowl for food. 5. Not all monks are Buddhist. Monks belong to many religions, including Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Jainism, and Taoism. Shaolin monks are famous for martial arts. The monks of the famous Shaolin temple combine meditation with incredible martial arts skills, strength, and discipline. 7. Monasteries can be over 1,000 years old. Some monasteries have been continuously inhabited for centuries and preserve priceless manuscripts, art, and history. 8. Monks memorize enormous amounts of scripture. Some monks spend years memorizing thousands of lines from sacred texts, passing traditions down through generations. Tibetan monks create beautiful sand mandalas. These colorful artworks can take days or weeks to complete, but are then carefully destroyed to symbolize the impermanence of life. 10. Scientific studies have found changes in experienced meditators' brains. Research suggests that long-term meditation is associated with changes in brain activity linked to attention, emotional regulation, and compassion. Which monk fact surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Facts the Factory for more amazing